Welcome to a new abdominal workout. So we are going to be using a weight today. I'm using 5 pounds. So find the weight that you think will work best for you. You just need 1 dumbbell and your chair, of course. Main thing to remember for this workout is to always focus on the abdominals, making sure you're engaging them. That means you're flexing them. So if I were to poke you in the tummy, you'd be trying to make your abs tight. So let's get started with doing a crunch. So we're just going to come forward a little bit with the weight, bring the knee up, and focus on flexing every time that knee comes up. So you don't have to round your back that much if you don't want to. You can sit up straight, come forward a little bit, and switch from side to side. Breathing out as that knee comes up as well. One more on the other side. Switching into our side bend, having the weight at the side, having the other hand at the hip, going down, and then coming back up. We want to feel it on this side, so my abs are tight right now. Breathe out, and in. Switching the weight to the other side, hand at the hip, going down, breathe out. Moving into a core stability exercise, holding the weight at the chest. Feet are wide. We are going to stand up, pressing your weight into your heels. If you can't stand, you are just flexing the abdominals, holding that brace, continuing to breathe. Otherwise, if you can, you're going to stand, sit, flex the abs, and breathe. And staying seated and doing a rotational twist. So just turning a little bit, bringing that weight towards the knee. One more. Switching to the other side. Last one. Going into that wood chopper, so having the weight here, going up and back down. Flex at this point, flex, and continue. Switching to the other side. And then having the weight at your chest, you are just flexing the abdominals now, and we're just doing an isometric hold. So we're just sitting here, continuing to breathe, don't hold your breath, continuing to breathe, and keep flexing. So poke yourself in the tummy, and it should be tight. Keep flexing. Going into that Russian twist. So elbows are going back. And last one, doing the dumbbell halo. So bringing the weight above, and you're just doing a circle and then going in the other direction. And keeping your abs flexed while you're doing this. Bringing the weight back down to the chest, onto your lap. And if you'd like, you can follow along for our next set. So starting with the weight here and is it. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Tell others about the channel. Hit that like button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Take care.